Head, head. This is your head. Face, face. She washes her face every morning. Hair, hair. His hair is messy today. Eye, eye. My eye feels dry. Eyebrow, eyebrow. He raised one eyebrow in surprise. Eyelid, eyelid. Close your eyelid slowly. Nose, nose. Her nose is cold. Mouth, mouth. Open your mouth, please. Lip, lip. His lip is dry. Tooth, tooth. I brush every tooth at night. Tongue, tongue. Stick out your tongue. Chin, chin. He rests his hand on his chin. Ear, ear. My ear hurts a little. Neck, neck. Stretch your neck gently. Shoulder, shoulder. She carried the bag on her shoulder. Chest, chest. Take a deep breath into your chest. Back, back. My back feels stiff today. Arm, arm. Raise your arm slowly. Elbow, elbow. He bumped his elbow. Hand, hand. Wash your hand before eating. Finger, finger. Point with your finger. Thumb, thumb. Give a thumbs up. Waist, waist. The belt sits on your waist. Hip, hip. She put her hands on her hips. Leg, leg. My leg is tired after walking. Knee, knee. Bend your knee slowly. Ankle, ankle. He twisted his ankle. Foot, foot. Take off your shoe and rest your foot. Toe, toe. I hit my toe on the table. Heart, heart. Your heart beats fast when you run. Lung, lung. Fill your lung with air. Stomach, stomach. My stomach feels full. Liver, liver. The liver helps clean your blood. Kidney, kidney. Each kidney filters waste. Brain, brain. Your brain controls everything. Which word will you use today? Comment below. Hit like if you learned something and subscribe for daily vocab wins.